Hey guys, welcome back. I'm trying to install Kali, and I noticed one guy on one of the comments, he said he's getting that SD00. So I'm guessing it's because of NVIDIA driver. The Wi-Fi wasn't working, the internet wasn't working, and so I tried using a Wi-Fi adapter, and that wasn't working, so now I'm connecting it to a Ether cord here. So I'm going to type in sudo apt update, and then I'm going to push in the password. I noticed 2 right there. NVIDIA might not work because of that, but we're going to try. And now it's working. So I'll let it install. Now I'm going to run sudo apt upgrade and type in Y and enter. Alright, so there's a couple of firmwares missing. We're going to try to reboot it, see what happens. Sudo reboot. Oh, spelled it wrong. Alright, hit enter. Alright, now we're not getting that error. Perfect. So type in your Kali login, and then your password, and hit enter. So now I'm going to hit this. I noticed the date's right, but the time is not right. So let's hit that. Alright. Alright, so I just typed in sudo apt update again. It said all my stuff was up to date. And then I typed in sudo apt install -y Kali -linux -default, and now it's installing. Alright, so it's done. Now we're going to put it back into root, or maybe not. I will type in sudo apt install Kali everything and hit enter. And it will probably take a million years to install everything, but more likely 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes is up, it starts to load again. So just wait. Alright, it's 99%. And then we'll reboot it and see if it loads. And if not, then we'll have to install NVIDIA drivers. But that's how you fix the SD0.0.0. So let's just give this a shot. Sudo restart, reboot, enter, enter, and everything's okay. Come on, please start up. Yes, there we go. Yes, there you go. So that's how you fix it. Don't forget to subscribe.